Ever wondered how long this whole Gemini buzz has been going on in Nigeria? It feels like it's everywhere now, doesn't it? From students using it for research to professionals streamlining their workflows, Gemini has quickly become a household name. But when did it all start? When did this powerful AI assistant first set foot in Nigeria? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Before we get into the specifics of Nigeria, let's take a quick look at the global picture. Gemini, as a large language model created by Google, is relatively new on the scene. While Google has been working on AI for years, Gemini itself represents a significant leap forward in terms of capabilities and accessibility. It's designed to be more than just a chatbot. It's envisioned as a versatile tool that can assist with a wide range of tasks, from generating creative content to answering complex questions. Think of it as having a super smart assistant available 24/7. Now, pinning down the exact date Gemini became available in Nigeria can be a little tricky. Unlike a physical product launch with a big marketing campaign, the rollout of digital services like Gemini is often more gradual. It's not like flipping a switch and suddenly it's available everywhere. Instead, access is often rolled out in phases, starting with specific regions or user groups. This phased approach allows developers to manage the infrastructure, gather feedback, and address any bugs or issues before a wider release. So, how does this translate to Nigeria? While there wasn't a formal Gemini arrives in Nigeria announcement, we can look at some key indicators to get a sense of its timeline. One important factor is the availability of Gemini-powered features within Google's existing products and services. For example, when did we start seeing Gemini integrated into search or workspace apps like Docs and Gmail? These integrations are often the first taste many users have of a new AI model. Another clue can be found in the activity of Nigerian developers and tech communities. Online forums, social media groups, and tech blogs often buzz with discussions about new technologies. When did we start seeing conversations about Gemini specifically within these Nigerian communities? This can give us a sense of when the AI started gaining traction locally. It's also worth considering the language support offered by Gemini. Initially, many large language models focus primarily on English. As these models evolve, they often expand to support other languages. When did we start seeing evidence of Gemini's support for Nigerian languages or its adaptation to the nuances of Nigerian English? This localization effort is a strong indicator of a focused effort to make Gemini accessible and relevant to the Nigerian market. Now, let's talk about the impact Gemini has had in Nigeria. It's undeniable that the arrival of powerful AI tools has sparked a lot of excitement and discussion. In the education sector, students are exploring how Gemini can assist with research, writing, and learning new concepts. Imagine being able to get instant explanations of complex topics or generate different perspectives on a historical event. This kind of access to information can be transformative for students. In the business world, professionals are looking at how Gemini can streamline workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and improve productivity. From generating marketing copy to summarizing lengthy documents, the potential applications are vast. Entrepreneurs are also exploring how Gemini can help them develop new products and services, opening up opportunities for innovation and growth. Of course, with any new technology, there are also important discussions about the potential challenges and ethical considerations. Issues like data privacy, bias in AI algorithms, and the impact on employment are all crucial topics that need to be addressed. It's important to have open and honest conversations about these issues to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically. So, while we may not be able to pinpoint the exact day Gemini landed in Nigeria, we can see the clear signs of its growing presence and impact. From its integration into popular Google services to the buzz in tech communities and the exploration of its potential across various sectors, Gemini is rapidly becoming a part of the Nigerian tech landscape. It's an exciting time to witness this evolution and see how AI will continue to shape the way we learn, work, and interact with the world around us. The potential is immense, and it's up to us to harness this technology in a way that benefits everyone. One thing to keep in mind is that the field of AI is constantly evolving. New models are being developed, existing models are being updated, and the capabilities of these tools are expanding at an incredible pace. What's possible today might seem like science fiction tomorrow. So, the story of Gemini in Nigeria is still being written. It's a story of innovation, adaptation, and the ongoing quest to create tools that empower us and make our lives better. We've explored the journey of Gemini in Nigeria, from its gradual integration into our digital lives to the impact it's having on various sectors. We've touched on the excitement, the potential, and the important conversations surrounding this powerful technology. While the exact date of its arrival might remain a bit fuzzy, the impact of Gemini is becoming increasingly clear. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.